Nandito na naman ako ngayon sa HAV Toys para kumuha ng bagong backlog. Dadagdag sa backlog. Pasok tayo. Ako po!
What's up, fuckers?
Yun ang pinsan ko. Saka yung...
What's up?
Pineapple collector ko. Hello!
Figure?
Yun o. Mukhang ang angas ng figure ah. So ayun, meron na naman tayong bagong i-unbox sa bahay. Amazing Heroes, My Hero Academia.
Hi, this is Ressa of Perry in Disguise Clothing, and you're watching the Kalamares channel.
What's up, internet, and what's good, mga Kalamares? This is Kalamares once again, and I'm back with another unboxing video. This time, we have this mint and sealed box Mirio Togata figure of My Hero Academia, courtesy of HAV Toys. Before we start, I'd like to thank everyone who's supporting my journey as a content creator. Nabulang naman yung channel na ito bilang pampalipas oras habang umiral yung community quarantine, and lately I've been getting messages and comments of appreciation to my video uploads, and I'm really pleased to let you know that it inspires me to keep going. Once again, thank you so much. Shout out to Devlog27, and a special thank you to my friends who plug their brands here in my channel. Sila yung mga nakikita nyong sumusulpot sa mga videos natin, and I hope you can support them as well kasi support local tayo dito and love your own, ika nga. Yun lang muna for now, hindi ko na patatagalin pa, and let's cue the intro! Hello mga Galamay!
You are now watching.
You're watching.
You're watching
Kalamares.
the Kalamares channel.
Permeation.
どういう個性だ。
10日発動中はあらゆるものがすり抜ける。口が勝手に。
Welcome back to my channel, and today we have this mint and sealed box My Hero Academia The Amazing Heroes Volume 8 Mirio Togata, courtesy of HAV Toys. And I believe it's very timely because My Hero Academia Season 5 is being aired already. Also, this is a special episode for me because I get to wear my Deku jacket from Perry in Disguise, and I swear to God they have quality products, so please check them out. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. At mabalik tayo dito sa figure natin, konting background lang. Na-pre-order ko to for 720 pesos, and I have received this last November 17, 2020, kaya kotang-kota na ako sa backlogs ko. Proceed naman tayo sa appearance ng box natin. Ito yung front niya. Ayan, makikita natin meron tayong close-up appearance ng figure natin or ng character natin na si Mirio Togata. At dito pa lang makikita mo na maganda yung details ng figure, kaya medyo mataas yung expectations ko sa figure na to. I hope na hindi mo madi-disappoint. At dito naman sa top, makikita natin yung pangalan ng figure line natin. We have My Hero Academia, The Amazing Heroes Volume 8. And we have a barcode here and a seal of authenticity. Yan. Proof na original yung product natin or authentic. Sa sides, meron tayo ditong promotional picture ni Mirio. Yan. Same as the front, close-up appearance. Sa kabilang side, medyo zoomed out yung appearance ni Mirio. And the back part shows the full body appearance of our figure. At dito naman sa baba, makikita natin yung mga copyrights, licenses, warnings, and other details ng figure natin. It is worth noting that the box is in a pretty good shape. At yun yung kinaganda kapag merong local toy stores sa area ninyo. And now that we have enough of the box, let's proceed to my favorite part, which is the unboxing portion.
あの子が笑えないままなんてそんなの絶対許せない。
The head sculpt looks awesome, the facial expression is on point, the hair is nicely done, and the skin tone adds a nice detail.
体を隠して狙いをずらした。ヒーローのマントってカッコつけだと思ってやした。
The cape has more or less than 3 shades of red to it, same with the gloves, and the cape also has a nicely done dynamic sculpt.
そういうやつだよな、お前は。ヒーローがマントを羽織るのは痛くて辛くて苦しんでる女の子を包んであげるためだ。
I like how they did a metallic paint job on the 1 million logo or text on Lemillion's chest here. The torso and the arms also have an awesome sculpt.
あれが本音。そうしてずっと耐えてきたんだね。絶望を受け入れるしかないと。救いは来ないと。
I noticed that the paint bleeds on some parts of the figure here, but that's fine.
もう君を悲しませない。もう痛い思いはさせない。
I may not be able to show it with my current camera, but the figure has nice shadings and contours to emphasize the muscles.
お前は強いよ。でもね、俺の方が強い。もう決して君を悲しませない。俺が君のヒーローになる。もう指一本触れさせない。 二人まとめて倒してやる。これまでの全てが無駄になったわけじゃない。俺は依然ルミリオンだ。
ありえない。榊の個性はまだ効いているはず。無敵かのような個性は失ったはず。エリさんを傷つけないという風を追っているはず。
なんだこいつは。
Alright, figure review as usual, just like what we have experienced with our Banpresto Dr. Stone figure in the past, with a box as small as this. I expected some minor figure assembly. This is my first My Hero Academia figure, and I decided to get this because I like Mirio's character, and also because of this cool theory here. Credits to whoever pointed that out. It's such an amazing observation if this is a fan theory. Lastly, I decided to get this figure because this has a much cooler dynamic pose compared to the Age of Heroes figure line. Personal take though, I'm not really fond of white colored characters or figures because they're prone to discoloration. And I guess I can't really avoid it this time because of Mirio or Lemillion's color scheme. There you have it for our figure review. Sinukat ko kanina yung figure natin, medyo mahirap lang ipakita sa camera kasi transparent yung ruler ko na gamit, hindi ko nakuha yung polgadera. Our figure stands approximately 9 inches tall and approximately 7 inches wide. Hindi ako sure kung mapagkakasyang ko to sa cabinet ko, but I'll try to figure things out and let's see if we can make room for Mirio. Overall, it is a great figure for its price, and it's definitely an eye candy for Lemillion fans. The details are good, and my personal issues with the seams have been taken care of because of the snug fit made by Banpresto with each part. And the only concern I have in mind right now is the discoloration of the white parts of the figure as the time goes by. I'm not quite sure if that's gonna be the same case for Mirio, so I guess let's just leave it at that for now. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi mo naman kailangan ng quirk o superpowers para matawag na isang hero o bayani. Yesterday, I stumbled upon a quote on Instagram which says, "Sometimes, all you had to do was exist in order to be someone's savior." Well, That could be true, but for me, I believe that you can never really save someone. You can help others and you can ask for help, but only you can save yourself. Lalo na ngayong mahirap magkasakit, marami tayong magigiting na frontliners, ngunit nasa'yo pa rin kung magpapakatatag ka at palalakasin mo ang loob mo, o magpapadala ka sa takot at magpapatalo sa virus. That's how I see it based on my experience, so let's do our part. Maging responsable tayo at magmalasakit tayo sa kapwa natin dahil hindi tayo pare-pareho ng pinagdadaanan. Lastly, one important reminder, we might never know it but we're somebody else's hero, so be the best version of yourself always. That's all for our video today. Thanks for watching, and once again, thank you so much, HAV Toys. Please like and share this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm not gonna take your money, I'm just gonna take a little bit of your time. Please follow me on my social media accounts for memes and updates. You can check the links in the description. And lastly, please don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy because we'd see each other on my next video upload. Once again, this is Kalamares wishing you a good night. Bye-bye. Let's do this. Dito ka na naman. Mint and sealed box. My Hero Academia from... Nabulang naman yung channel na to bilang pamparit. And I'm really pleased to let you know that sa panahon ngayon, hindi mo naman kailangan ng quirk o superpower para matawag na isang hero o by... Yesterday, I stumbled upon a quote on Instagram which all you had to do was exist in order to be someone's safe. Ano kasi mamanok yan? And lastly, please... What the fuck was that?